Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to get Netflix gift card absolutely for free. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and honestly it's way easier and faster than you might think. And this whole process just took me like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna start screen recording right now so you can see exactly what I'm doing and follow along with me. So guys, all we're gonna need is go to our web browser and search for the website welootgpt.com. So once we're on that website, here in this bar we type Netflix, and here we have to press this button and to choose this one thing, and we have to press reveal code. We can even see some comments that thank you so much, you got a reward by completing 3 tasks. This tool is really unbelievable, thank you. There are a bunch of comments, so it's actually worth doing it. And here we have to press the unlock full code button and finish tasks and unlock code as well. So you see here is the list of offers. Here's written that we have to complete 2 of them, but I do personally recommend you to complete 3 of them, as it was mentioned even in comments. So we're gonna choose these 3. So here I have to download and reach level 11. Here I have to follow easy instructions on the next page. And if I'm not mistaken here, yeah, I should do the same. So I'm just gonna quickly start with this one. And after I complete all of the 3 offers, I'll come back to you and we will do the next steps together. So guys, now I'm back with all the tasks completed, and all we're gonna do is type done and submit if everything is actually completed. Yeah, so you see I received my gift cards code, and as you guys can see, it's really very easy to do, and it takes actually up to 10 minutes or even less. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and see you guys in the next videos. Bye!